Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that cat.
What's the meaning of this? See, I don't have time for all this rubbish. Please, I have a meeting to attend. Get out of my way.
What am I? Have you met up with your house appointment? Meanwhile, I need money for soup.
Money for what? Huh? Money for what again? Don't you have hands? Is this all you tell me every day? Huh? That's all I'm good for. Every time, money for this, money for... Can't you work? Don't you see wives that go out and work and support their husband? You have hand, you have leg, complete. Why can't you work and find money for your own soup? Everything on my head. Oh, give me. See, do not provoke me this afternoon. Please.
And what if I provoke you? Are you giving me the money or not?
Huh? What if you provoke me? Yes. What if you provoke me? I look like a woman now. Get out.
Louis! Louis!
Louis, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm trying, sir.
How's your wife?
She's okay.
And business?
Business has been bad. Very bad. You know, I told you I had issues with customs. My importation business has gone down the drain. In fact, that's why I'm here. To see if you can fix me somewhere.
I see. Well, I will talk to my manager and see what we can do for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll be traveling. Meanwhile, you can be coming around if you need anything. I will instruct Sebastian to always take care of your needs. After all, we are from the same kindred. You are from my place and we are together. If I don't do it, who else? Sebastian! Sebastian!
Hey, Louis. You don't tell. You know they come around again. What happen? Hi. See as you fresh. You dey chop up money good for your body. Sir.
Anytime he comes around for anything, please make sure he gets it.
Normal level, sir. That one na normal level. No wahala.
So he will take care of your needs when I'm not around.
Okay, sir.
You son of Okafo, your discontentment led to your envy of a man whose hands were not clean. In this twilight, our choices seal our faith. You chose to dance the dance of the spirits. When the music stops, only the deaf continues to dance.
What do I do about that, ghost?
Nothing. It's obvious you met a spirit on a mission. And I tell you, the most violent of all spirits are those spirits that are on a mission of vengeance. Getting rid of her is out of the question.
So what next?
What's fucking? This is a little more. You will return to that house with it. Present this before her with a chant. Yakantum. Tuka. A spiritual chant that will catch her spirit. And you will have your way. Chant after me. Yakantum. Tuka. Say after me. Yakantu. Ntuka.
Yakantu. Ntuka.
Yakantu. Ntuka.
Yakantu. Ntuka.
Have it.
Ajofia. Are you saying I should go ahead and sleep with a ghost?
This is not the time for questioning. It's either her or you lose everything. Don't forget the spiritual chant. Yakantu. Tuka. Yakantu. Tuka. Yakantu. Tuka. Do not forget. Yakan. Tuka. Yakan. Tuka.
Officer, you safe. You even know say some case pass you. Yes, some case pass you. What you go do? You take me to your gun. Take me to the DPO. I tell you don't carry me keep aside. You don't get OC. I think you don't get OC for this station. I beg carry me to DPO. You can't get complaint. Oh, give me the make I enter. Hey, officer! What can play this one now? Officer!
Tomorrow you see us. My guy,
I beg, you never reach like this. You never come. My guy, don't mess me up, oh. No, don't mess me up. Hey!
You are say sure.
De mazi. Now, ndio tu.
You are say sure.
When you were there, all the hotel I know here.
You be like, yeah, there's a church for your eye. You are say sure.
Okay. Officer!
Are you sure this is really what you want to do?
Be still. Do not come any closer. The dead have no control over the living. You will not eat my head. You will be still. You will listen to me and do as I say. Yakanto. 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 Yakantum. 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 Ituka. Yakantum. Ituka. Yakantum. Ituka. Yakantum. Ituka. Yakantum. Ituka.
Thank you, Annie.
Mama, are you alright?
I just can't sleep. Since we came inside, I've been restless. Though I can't really place my hand on what is making me restless.
Mama, I've been thinking. Do not forget, too much thinking will increase your blood pressure. Besides, what is bothering you?
Call your brother. Chima, call Luis, call him. I want to hear his voice.
Mama, his number is not reachable now. She will be calling
Call him, Chinwe. Call him. Huh? Call him. I need to hear my son's voice.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again
The
later.
number you're calling is switched off. Try again later.
See, I'm worried though. I'm worried.
Mama, so this is why you're worried. Please, try and see. Don't worry. Probably by tomorrow his number might be reachable. Don't be surprised. It might just be his phone or his battery that is faulty.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
No one. Tomorrow then.
Just try and sleep, oh. At least it's fine.
Sir, this is young man.
Young man, what is the problem?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, now yesterday, last night, me and my friend, we just dey. You know, say, he can't get us body, can't they do us? You know, say, body no be firewood. Now me and my friend just come out. Me will go carry all these small girls with big God. We don't carry am, carry the girl reach house. My friend just say, may he come first, may he first enter. Me at the outside, they wait. Next thing we will see the girl.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Proceed, continue.
So, sir.
What is wrong with you? Have you come here to mock me in this station? Look, this is the last chance I'm giving you. Continue what you are telling me.
Hello. 1, 2. Hello. 1, 2. Hello. So, officer, we go.
Officer, sir, take him out and deal with him.
Yes, sir. Chinwe! Where are these children? I will leave you and go. Huh?
Sorry, Mama. I was combing my hair.
Combing which hair? Huh? Have you forgotten we are going to the farm and not marriage ceremony? That you'll be combing your hair. Because my child going Abuchi. Abuchi! Are you not coming with us?
Well, good morning.
That one that has been turning the kitchen upside down since morning.
What you are saying? And how's that your business? Mama, you can't go. I don't have strength. I'm very tired. You should go to the farm tomorrow. I'll call.
Once again. Gakwenti, Abuchi. Let me not get to that farm before you. Listen, you know what I can do. If you don't come to farm today, just forget about eating from my pot.
Ha! Yeah. Somebody cannot rest again in this house. I don't have time to go to the farm and people should go and do the ones you can do tomorrow. I'll come and do my own. You call you have strength. What on my own? I don't want to work with money.
I go here, Boogie, don't worry.
Yeah, boom.
Aren't you too harsh on him? Don't you think you're pushing him too hard?
Pushing her. Isn't he supposed to live up to his responsibilities? I mean, he is my husband and is only good at two things: getting a boner and having sex.
You're so horrible.
Am I?
Yes.
But that's just the truth. He does nothing for the family.
Louise. Where must he be?
Wait, what did they do here? Hey! What if this witch don't go kill Louis now? What if I want the police? Bow, you can make a statement.
The master of this house binds my soul that I will never leave.
Are you giving up already?
Enough. This is not the time to play big sis. You had all that time when we were in the land of the living. Now you come here, preaching to me about trying. Go back to where you came from.
We are one. Together we came to this world. Together we shall live.
Brother, we've lost Abuchi. Abuchi drowned in the river, brother.
Huh?
Brother, can you hear me? I said Abuchi drowned in the river, brother. He's dead. Hello, brother. Brother Louis. Chimo. Mama.
My daughter, I know how you feel by this incident that has befallen us. Have you called your elder brother?
I called him. I told him that we've lost Abuchi. He didn't say anything. Rather, he cut the call on me.
For the fact you called him and he said nothing, Abuchi must be buried at the riverside.
Uncle, my brother will not be buried outside his father's compound now, Mbano.
My daughter, it's tradition that anyone drowned by the river must be buried at the riverside. It's a taboo to bury him in his father's compound. So automatically, Abuchi must be buried at the riverside, and certain sacrifice must be made to appease his spirit.
Hey! Hey!
My younger brother is dead.
Okwasi ababo bikizu abale ya. Kede ka yesi we kwa mwanya ukuwala. Tiwonu mako ibunsuwe kamwaka mesuwe. After. There is still hope.
Wow.
A mere mortal that dines with the spirit does not live to tell it still.
Ajofia, what next?
Asem City wolu mako ibo sugbe. Ugbu anu ayari agwakwa n'obelu ugwu. Na nwaanyị nyere di ya azụ ive. Abụrụ ya bụ na ajọ mmụọ isi owere ba nne ya afọ. She has a twin. And her soul is still trapped in that house. Her soul is responsible for the increasing wealth of your benefactor. Both were killed for a purpose. But the soul of our sister could not escape from that house. Now, she is already on a mission to free the soul of our twin sister, so that both of them can bond again in death.
Ajofia, you speak in parables. I do not understand all of them. Where do I stand in this?
You granted her entrance. Both of them are now united to form a powerful combination.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't ever mention the name of the son of Osebro here.
All right. I'm sorry. So what do I do?
Haven't you heard of First Nollywood Home of Nollywood movies?
Subscribe now.
First Nollywood TV.